Hey, MoonToken Fam, it's me, Stacy, your project lead, and with me I have Emmanuel, our head of business development in Africa. And actually, this Sunday we were scheduled to have an NFT art conversation with Move Network. However, I kind of made this executive decision because I just caught up with Emmanuel, and he has really big updates that the market's going up, and our Moon Token Africa initiative is really like that. So I asked Moon Network to push back our time so that we could prioritize Moon Token and we can update you guys on a kind of YouTube live setting. So I'll just let Emmanuel say a quick word, but we just want to say a quick hi to you. Okay, Emmanuel.
Hi.
Quick preview.
Hi, everybody. Hi, MoonToken. It's very good to be here once again with you. I'm very excited about the market and super excited about what's happening in Africa, MoonToken Africa, let me put it that way. We contacted some big guys and also some institutions we spoke to them about MoonToken. They are really excited to partner with us. And also, speaking to other crypto community in Ghana. They are super excited about the kind of plans, our roadmap. And I believe there's so much to share that I wouldn't want to get into detail here. I just want to see you on Sunday. Yay! So that we can share the videos and all these fantastic stuff that MoonToken is coming with. All right, so see you on Sunday.
Good day, guys. Bye.